If you want to know how many Google ads you should be running, it's going to vary depending on a couple different things, but I'll give you some rules of thumb to follow here. With the new way that Google has things set up, these responsive search ads, you can see it says responsive search ad right here. These are the new types of ads. If you go to create an ad, it's going to have you set up a responsive search ad. And they only allow you to have a maximum of 3 responsive search ads in an individual ad group. Now, you can have a lot of different ad groups within one campaign in Google, which of course you can select from over here. And that's what we have. We have a campaign here with a number of different ad groups. And within this ad group, we have 3 ads. They're all live. You can see they're enabled right now. And they're responsive search ads. You can see how many conversions they're getting, the conversion rate, the cost per conversion, all that information, right? And as we're running these, we can be testing. So if we find that this one is not converting very well and it's costing, the leads are really expensive, which is not actually the case in this situation. But if that were the case, let's say it was spending a bunch of money on this ad right here and not getting very many conversions. Of course, we could pause this, set up another responsive search ad, and test it out. But the max you can have is 3. The minimum you can have is 1, obviously, and Google Ads recommends that you have a minimum of 2. So a maximum of 3, minimum of 1, but recommended that you have at least 2. That's sort of the idea with responsive search ads, and that's per ad group, right? So what I'll see often is somebody will put together 1, 2, maybe 3 ads, and they'll just run those ads on all the keywords in their entire account in one campaign, which is a little bit difficult to do because you're probably going to have different themes for different keywords, and it's not going to be very congruent. So what I would recommend is having a bunch of different ad groups and then have at least 2 responsive search ads within each ad group. That's typically going to be the best setup overall. Really depends on your situation though. So if there's anything you did have questions about in terms of how many ads you should be running, in an individual ad group or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out. You can just drop your questions in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and we'll look forward to working with you.